At Holland America Line, we believe the journey of a lifetime begins with the details. We're taking a proud tradition of nearly 145 years of sailing and adding an eye to the future. Introducing Nieuw Statendam, Holland America Line's newest Pinnacle-class ship.
Every detail, from specialty curated works of art to fabric on the chairs in the dining room, Nieuw Statendam has everything our guests have come to love and expect from Holland America Line. Rudy's Sel de Mer, the Grand Dutch Cafe, Pinnacle Grill, B.B. King's Blues Club, Lincoln Center Stage.
The guest will experience the same level of sophistication, but we have enhanced the Nieuw Statendam to make this ship unique.
In the Pinnacle suite, the lighting fixtures and the furniture styles are more modern and contemporary.
For the first time in the history of Holland America Line, we're going to offer alfresco dining in Tamarind.
We've enlarged the Neptune Lounge to provide more seating.
We created some windows in there, which makes the space much more open. Our crew makes a ship unique. Also on this Nieuw Statendam, providing the best service that we can offer.
One of the things that's really most powerful about Holland America Line is the way we deliver destinations to our guests. Nieuw Statendam will include Exploration Central, an indispensable travel resource for our guests to learn about and engage with their destinations. When you cruise on the Nieuw Statendam, you're enriching yourself and making the world a better place.
Nieuw Statendam, our newest Pinnacle-class ship, joining Holland America Line in December 2018.